All right, so I don't know how he comes across these deals all the time, but Jeremy ran across this deal where they're getting rid of all this shelving, which has got really good square steel tubing with it. 2x2, 3/16" wall. Challenge is it's all welded together, not bolted together. So we're gonna have to cut it all apart today and then try to get it. So painted on the outside, looks like very good steel. So we'll get it and then throw it in his little inventory, and then maybe he can use it on some projects. You guys come over here for a second. All right, so that was 30 minutes for the first row.
It was?
I think we can do better. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna pull out the dry erase board. We're gonna map it out. I think we can get down to probably 29, 28 minutes. Thoughts?
I think that it's a waste of time to do the dry erase board.
Okay, so we're gonna scratch that and just, I'm just gonna keep putting stuff on
Was that
pallets.
really only a half hour?
Yeah, it's only half hour. So, how long was the first row with you and John?
1 hour.
1 hour? Okay, never mind. So we're 50%
Never
improved.
mind.
Never mind.